This is the button we are going to make this time. Start off by inserting a Button Maxi block. Add your text. Go to Canvas and add a background color layer. Make it black. Enable Clip Path and choose the circle. Then go to Height and Width settings and enable Set Width to Fit Content and force Canvas to equal height and width. Next, change the text font weight to 700. Go to Margin and Padding settings now and set the padding to 15 pixels. Remove the button background. Switch to the Canvas tab and set the background opacity to 0. Make it 100% on hover. Let's reverse the text on hover as well. Make it white by default and black on hover. Now go to the Advanced tab and from the Transform settings, choose the button. Set the scale to 250. On hover, set it to 100. In addition, set the overflow to hidden. This will keep the text within the circle space. And we are done. Thanks for watching.